At the homepage, I'm currently editing the heading of the website, and I'm adding some animation to make it look more interesting. Then I'm editing the button where I added a link to the button, so whenever the audience click on the button, it will direct them directly to the Contact Us page. And now here I am changing the video and setting up the video, and also renaming the video to Bee-centric promotional video. So then we are at the Bee services section, where I edited some of the hover interaction, where I edited the color of the font as well as the placement of the logo. So whenever the audience click on the boxes, it will move around. I will test out the hover interaction in just a minute. Yes, that's how. So I'm testing how it's gonna play out. So that's how it's gonna play out whenever the audience touches it. And now I'm editing a link to the button where I directed them to go to the Bee services page.
Here for the About Bee page, you can see me choosing the animation for the title and for the subtitles of Here you can see me choose the animation settings for the texts. Here you can see me choosing the scroll effect to add to the pictures at the sides. Once I feel satisfied with what I have done, I click preview and to see if the effects are doing well. And if there are parts that I do not like or think that it is problematic, I will go back and change it again. And here I am reviewing the finished product.
Okay, as you can see, this is the Bee services page, and now I'm changing the image to our client's preferred image, which she has given us, and I will use this one for this section. And I've also included the logo and the title for this section as well, which is SME Business Events, and now I'm putting the description for this section too. And I've also included the animation for this section as well, which is Glide In. And now the preview for this page is like this.
Alright, so now we are at the gallery page. Here I am hiding some of the pages because I have added a hover interaction at the gallery. So whenever the audience click on the button, it will automatically opens up the event pages. So, and here I am adding the link to each of the buttons so that it will navigate the audience to the respective event pages. Then I am editing the hover interaction, where I added some animation to make the picture grow whenever the audience hover on it. Next, I am currently editing the subheading of the Bee Instagram feed and changing the font color to suit it best with the theme. Then, at each of the event pages in Gallery, I have changed how the image would be displayed every time the audience click on the image, as well as adding a bit of animation to add a little bit of movement to the gallery.
Lastly, for the COVID-19 page, for this section, the title will be Wear Face Mask, and I will also put the description for this section as well. And now I'm adding the animation for the description, which is glide in. And same goes for the icon, which I will be using fade in. And the preview will look like this.
Next, going through the Contact Us page, the page is pretty simple, and right now I am selecting the type of font that I'm going to use for this page. Then I am typing the Bcentric Facebook and Instagram username. Then I am setting up the placement of the text. Then at the footer, I am setting up the social links where I have linked the Facebook and Instagram page on Bcentric accounts. Then for the email form, I have changed the setting of to whom would be the receiver for the audience emails after they have submitted their inquiries, which is of course to my client's official email address.